Hey, and welcome to day 3 of the Full Body Flexibility Challenge, 7 days of yoga flows, just focusing on flexibility. Day 3, we're going to be doing our shoulders and our arms, which is going to really open up that chest, open up that heart. Perfect if you've been sitting all day at the office or in a chair or in your car. And this is also perfect to warm up the back for back bends and certain back flexibility poses. So if you're ready, make sure you're warmed up. We're gonna get straight on the mat and let's go. So starting off in our easy pose, we're just gonna warm up the shoulders by bringing them back. Nice shoulder rolls, going through the whole shoulder blade. I'm really sitting tall here, trying not to slouch over. So keep that back nice and straight. And now taking them forward. Same thing, working through that whole shoulder. And last one. And now just bringing those shoulders down and just going to the side with our neck. Keeping those shoulders down, bringing the shoulder blades together. And now going all the way down with our neck, stretching the back of our neck. And coming all the way up, and we'll repeat that on the other side. Focus on bringing those shoulders down. Focus on your posture being nice and straight. And just breathing here. Nice inhales and exhales, starting to get a rhythm here. Bringing our focus to the present. And now let's bring it down and hold. And now slowly coming up, we're going to take a side stretch and we're just going to add movement. So we're just going to hold for a quick moment and then coming to the other side and other side. And now just hold. You can bring your gaze up or bring it down, whichever feels more comfortable. Just lengthen that side body, lengthen the arms so you feel your rib cage expanding. Now release, and we'll do that side to side motion once again, and other side, and hold. Nice inhale, exhale as you come to this side. Lengthen that side body, breathing in and out. And now let's just release, bringing our arms down. We're going to take a nice arm stretch, so just grab your left elbow with your right hand, bringing it down, and once again really sitting tall here. And now take a nice inhale. We're going to come all the way down in this easy pose and just hold here. Trying to hold the arms still. And just focus on your breath here. Focus on opening those hips, opening the shoulders. And now slowly coming up. And now you can continue with this stretch, or you can bring your right arm under, grabbing both hands together, creating a nice stretch behind our back. And once again, don't worry if you can't do this, just come to the previous stretch. Breathe through this intense pose. Now release your arms, and we'll do that all on the other side. So bend your right elbow, grab it with your left hand, and just gently pull down, keeping a nice straight back here. Breathing through this. And make sure you switched your legs out, so bringing the other leg in front. Inhale, exhale. Let's bring it all the way down in this easy pose. And now slowly, let's come back up. Take a nice inhale. And as we exhale, we're going to grab our other hand together with the top hand. Just bringing them together. If you can only grab a few fingers, that's totally fine. If you can grab your whole hand, that's amazing. And just hold it here. Breathing through this. And now slowly release your hands. And we're going to bring our knees together and come for a nice child's pose. So inhale, exhale, come down. You can stay here, or you can bend your elbows and bring your hands together into prayer, a little bit above your head. An amazing stretch for your triceps. Keep inhaling, and nice deep exhales here. And now inhale, release. Exhale, we're going to slide a little bit more forward and into our puppy pose. So just bringing the chest all the way down. An easier version is to bring your head down. And the more advanced version is to bring your chin onto the mat, looking forward. Inhale. And exhale. Try to bring as much oxygen as you can into this pose. Exhale, release. This is also an amazing stretch if you're working on your back bends, or if you've been sitting all day, it's a good way to just open up those shoulders. And now inhale, let's come onto all fours. We're going to lift our left arm and hand to the sky, and then bringing it through, allowing that right arm to come above your head, and just trying to twist as much as you can here. You can even bring that right arm across behind your body and even twist looking up. Just breathing here, focusing on the benefits of this stretch. Inhale, exhale, release back into your puppy pose. See if you can go a little bit more now that our shoulders are a little bit more warmed up. Go more with the chest. Last breath here. And now inhale, let's bring that right arm up, and exhale, bringing it through. Left arm goes above your head, and we're trying to twist here. Once again, you can bring that left arm all the way back behind you and twist looking up if you'd like to make it a little bit more advanced, or just stay put. And just breathing here. Nice inhale. and exhale. And now inhale, exhale. Let's come right back into that puppy pose. Once again, take note if you can go a little bit more. Maybe you can bring your chin onto the mat now. Just test it out and have fun with these positions. Now inhale, let's come even more forward. Exhale, coming onto our elbows into our Sphinx pose. Our legs are relaxed and we're trying to use our back and our shoulder muscles to hold ourselves up, just slightly balancing on the elbows. And now coming down. Good. Bring your hands and fingers into spider fingers. We're going to come up into our Cobra and then coming down. Inhale up, exhale down, making this as fluid as possible, like a wave. And exhale down, inhale up, exhale it down, and inhale up. And just hold here and exhale down. Good. Release your arms into Cactus Arms. Bring your feet together. Take a nice inhale. Bend your left knee and bring it behind you, creating a nice twist. And then we're going to take it to the other side. And release. And one more time. And this time we're going to hold here. If your leg is in the air, don't worry. If you can bring your whole foot on the ground, that's great. Just take this at your own pace. Listen to your body. If anything feels way too intense, release, come back when you're ready. Just breathing through this. Nice inhale into the shoulders, into the arms. Exhale, release. And inhale, release. Let's take this one more time, going side to side. So going one side and then the other side. And then final side and holding here. You can slightly lift your right arm up, but your left arm and shoulder should stay grounded. Hold here. Inhale. Exhale. See if you can bring that leg and the foot a little bit farther down. Just test it out. And now inhale, exhale, release back to center, bringing your feet and your legs together, pushing yourself up and into our upward facing dog or cobra, lifting those thighs up, open the chest and the heart. And now let's just come to our downward facing dog, holding here. Nice long neck. Fingers are spread wide. Trying to really stretch into the shoulders here. See how low you can go. See how far you can go into those shoulders. All the while still breathing. Now just walking ourselves forward, feet between our hands. You can bend your knees here or stretch them. We're going to grab our hands behind our back and just stretch those arms behind us, holding. Inhale and exhale. Try to pull farther. Last few breaths here. And now let's just release those arms. Bring ourselves back into that downward facing dog, holding here. And now just lowering down onto our elbows into our dolphin pose, stretching out those arms and the shoulders a little bit more than we just did. If you can get your heels all the way down, that's great. But if you need to bend your knees a little bit, that's perfectly fine as well. Inhale and exhale. And now slowly, let's just release out of this position, coming onto our knees, sitting on our heels, and then slowly lifting up, adding movement, bringing our shoulder blades together. Inhale, exhale, bring those arms down and the body. And again, coming down, open the chest, shoulder blades together. And down, open that chest, open the heart. And down, and shoulder blades together. And hold here. And now release your arms. We're going to get ready for our Camel Pose. So either hands above your hips or bringing your hands all the way down to your ankles and just open up that heart. Feel the chest expanding here. Pelvis is tucked under. Inhale and exhale. And to come out of this position, we just bring our hands onto the tops of our hips, slowly and gently coming back up. And now inhale, exhale. Let's come down to our child's pose just to round out the back. A nice counter pose. Just take a moment here to catch your breath, to bring your focus back to your breath. Nice inhale in and exhale out. Now let's just slowly come up. We are finished for today. Beautiful job, everybody. Thank you so much for joining me on day 3, and I'll see you all tomorrow.